Hello friends. Welcome back to my home garden. Today, I am going to show you how to use Gawara fertilizer in your vegetable garden. Take a pouring can and gently pour the fertilizer near the roots. Make sure not to pour too much. Just a little is enough to nourish the plants. This fertilizer gives essential nutrients to plants, helping them grow fresh and green. It is especially good for vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens. Use this fertilizer once a week for the best results. Your plants will love it. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.